here, uh, which is for the millennials out there, who love side hustling and side help and everything like that. And like there's a general fact, another general fact of Yash. 50% of the people, 50% of the millennials right now are always engaged in side hustling. So here is my question to you. uh Now people out here are wondering, okay, I have a 9 to 5 job and it pays for my expenses. अब यार ये 9 to 5 जॉब भी है, अब मैं इकिगाई भी फाइंड करूं, एंड लाइक दिस इज लाइक अ होल थॉट प्रोसेस. सो लाइक हाउ डू आई फाइंड दिस टाइम टू फाइंड माय इकिगाई, and if I find it also, how do I work towards it? And like can if like just sorry for my lack of wordings, but can there be something like a part-time ikigai or something like that?
There's a very practical issue which a
Yeah,
lot of mentees come to me, that
yeah,
when they do find the ikigai,
yeah,
there are various reasons why they cannot follow it. The one, as you rightly mentioned, is insecurity. The
yeah.
path of following ikigai takes time. It's not easy to reach up to the bottom.
Lot of work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work and a lot of patience, and people don't have the patience,
Yeah,
which is very valid points. And in fact, this came out from all the participants. My gratitude to all the participants who taught me this fact of, there are fear factors in them. There's a societal fear factor,
yeah,
wife, etc., or insecurity,
yeah,
impatience, risk of failure. Hey, great, I got my ikigai
absolutely.
as a photographer or as a dancer. What is the guarantee that I'll ever reach to the bottom? Actually, there's no guarantee. So it's a risk. It's a huge risk. And so normally, what I really, want to tell the millennials and all the young generation about a particular person who was born in the in the late 1890s.
Yeah,
He was born, and he worked in as an insurance person since the age of 14, 15. And remember, there's a time of the World War. 1914 was a
yeah,
World War. So he got in the World War, lost all his job, became a car salesman, ran in as a car salesman for a few years, and lost their job too, and moved into a cafe, worked as a cafeteria, trying to sell as a waiter, etc. And again lost it, came back to insurance, again lost the job. Now remember, it's kind of time for the Second World War,
yeah,
and now he got into a cafe again, and that's where he discovered a secret recipe. People might now try to hint to whom I'm referring to. He discovered a secret recipe, and but he just kept it with himself. He was around 45, 40, 48 years old. The reason why he kept it with himself is risk of failure, insecurity, and unable to convert that ikigai into reality. He knew exactly what should be done. He spoke to a lot of friends about it, but all the friends told, "Hey, I don't think this will succeed. It's not so easy. It's
yeah.
already World War II." So he
Mhm.
continued on working as a cafeteria at the age of 60.
Yeah,
And at the age of 61, he founded the first Kentucky Fried Chicken. The recipe that he found was a chicken burger.
yeah.
And he kept telling, I have this secret recipe. But it took him 15 years to convert his ikigai to a reality. At the age of 61, the person's name is Harlan Sanders,
Yeah.
the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. And of course, he died a few years later, but KFC is still
KFC is still there. Yeah.
most popular brands.
I mean,
So,
like this happens with all big entrepreneurs, even McDonald's. They fail. Like the risk of failure is so much so that everybody tells you if you bring in a new concept, a very niche concept, the risk of failure is always a lot more. You there needs to be a self determination to avoid this risk of failure. You need to completely I mean, you don't need to be delusional about it, but you need to completely believe in what you do. And I mean, as you said, that it's a very very inspiring story by him and by any entrepreneur that we look at, who's very big in the business right now. We always see that they started from somewhere small. They started from something that people are not interested in, but they created the market for it. They were so determined for it that they created the market for it. They created something that the people didn't want, but actually the people, when they look at it, they really want it now. Especially something like Apple, something like McDonald's. There, if you've seen the movie The Founder, also it completely shows how he changed the business itself. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense what you have said here, and that was actually a very inspiring story. I didn't even know this whole story. Like I knew like how he got his recipe, and then after that he died, but I didn't knew that he struggled so much before, and like people didn't believe in it. And now, when anybody's having a KFC, they will always be reminded of this story while eating the big Whopper or anything like that. They'll be reminded that there's a lot of struggle that he found his Ikigai. So now it's my time while eating this burger to finally find my Ikigai. Yeah. So let's this was for the millennials, and this was for the people who are working right now 9 to 5, and they always think that the risk of failure is way more and driving for my passion. So this question was for them.
But coming to
Now
that, Yash, the part-time ikigai which I did. So even when you find a ikigai, it's possible for this person, Harlan Sanders, for 16 years, he just continued as a back burner, part-time. He just continued doing it as a passion or hobby,
yeah,
and then and then that's the answer to that part-time ikigai.
yeah, see, you have 9 to 5, and then you have 5 to 9.
Exactly.
Like you have 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Like, okay, so as my father always told me, it's the age for especially millennials right now, it's the age to burn the midnight oil. If not now, then when? So 9 to 5, you work for everything, and if your job is more than 9 to 5, 9 to 8, 9 to 7, you still have those 2 3 hours to self-respect, to find your ikigai, to come to Deepak and understand that how do you incorporate this. And believe me when I say this, and I've never endorsed anybody like this, and I've never endorsed something like this, but like it really 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 changes your life, makes you a better person, makes you a more efficient person. uh, so uh, going